Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Farhan Khan and you are watching Let's Speak. Today in this video I am going to ask some question to my student. In because previous classes I gave them 25 to 30 question and answer in English sentences. So that's why I just want to know that how well they prepare it. If you are also beginner or you are student, so make sure watch video till end because you can also this video will help you a lot, and as well you can learn daily sentences and also build your confidence, which is very important to learning speaking English. So I just want to call Mr. Faizan. Come on stage. Hello Faizan, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So are you ready for
Yes.
question answer session?
Yes.
Where do you live?
I live in Unwar.
Okay. In which class do you read?
I read in class 8.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Very good. Uh, how do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
Very good. Okay, can you tell me at what time do you get up in the morning?
I wake up 7 o'clock at morning.
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Very good. So tell me, which game do you like most?
I like cricket.
Very good. Okay. Which festival do you like?
I like Eid.
Good. Very good. Now you can go now. As you can see, he is Mr. Faizan. He is my one of a student, and he prepared very well. And as you can see, he answered all questions very correctly. Now I am going to ask another a student, Miss Saleha. So, hello Saleha, how are you?
I am fine, and you, sir?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you comfortable?
Ready. Yes.
Nervous?
No.
Okay. So, my first question, when do you do your homework?
I do my homework in evening.
Very good. In evening is very good time to do your homework. Okay. So, tell me, what do you want to become in your future?
I want to become a doctor in my future.
Very good. Become a doctor is very it's very good profession because being a doctor you can help many people. Okay, tell me how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Very good. Okay, nowadays the distraction is everywhere. Like social media is very complicated. It's a very common distraction for a student, like Instagram, YouTube, etc., etc. So I just want you. So how many hours do you study every day?
I study 1 hour of every day.
Okay, so let me clear. Hour, 1 hour, not 1 hour, because one is singular. When you use two, three plural number, then you use hours. Okay. So tell me, at what time does your school open?
My school open 6.
No, no worry. You can think and again speak. Making mistake is a common. Don't fear about making mistake because without making mistake you cannot learn anything. Not only English, anything. So be cool and again try to answer again. At what time does your school open?
My school open 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock. Very good. My school opens at 10 o'clock. So she is Miss Saleha. As you can see, she also prepared very well. Now I'm going to ask some my other student. Next, Ikra. Ikra, come here. So she is Ikra. Hi Ikra, how are you?
I am fine.
So are you ready?
Yes.
Nervous?
No.
Comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. So my first question is, what do you do in your free time?
Uh, I read books and play game.
Very good. Reading book in free time is very good habit. So my next question is, who is your best friend?
My best friend Afrin.
My best friend is Afrin. Very good. Okay. No, mistake is common. Don't fear about mistake. Some people think, what if I make mistake? People laugh. What if people laugh at me? What if people say it is broken English? Doesn't matter. No need to worry. Just speak. Even broken English is okay, because slowly you can get improvement. Okay, you are a student. You daily go to school,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher Vandana ma'am.
Again you make mistake. My favorite teacher is Vandana ma'am. Who again I'm going to ask same question.
Okay.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher Vandana ma'am.
Again make mistake. My favorite teacher is Vandana ma'am.
Okay, yes, yes.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Vandana ma'am.
That's good. Now you can see she make mistake 2 times, and third time she automatically improve, rectify her mistake. That's why I say make mistake again and again. After that, automatically you can improve your mistakes. So tell me, what do you eat every day?
I eat simple food every day.
Simple food. It's very good, because in that era everyone just craving, everyone just dying to eat chowmein, pizza, burger, etc. That is very unhealthy for a student, not a student, for everyone. Don't you like pizza and burger?
I like pizza, burger, and oh, but daily.
But
Daily.
to having daily is not good. Okay, good. You don't eat daily.
Yes.
Once in a week, हफ्ते में एक बार या 2 बार आप खाते. Okay, yeah, once in a week is a good. But consuming daily that junk food is very unhealthy. So my last question, so my next question is, what do you like about your school?
I like teacher and student and क्या बोलते हैं? I like staff.
Staffs. Very good. Yeah, she likes students, teachers, and staffs. Very good. So how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brother and 1 sister.
Okay. So what would you like to become in your future, or what do you want to become in your future?
I become a businesswoman.
Businesswoman. Very good. I want to become a businesswoman. Very good. Now you can see girls can do anything. And I'm going to call another student. So you can go now.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Like करिए, follow करिए.
How are you, Afrin?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. I'm going to ask some questions with late versus late. As you know, late means जब हम किसी को परमिशन देते हैं, किसी को कुछ अलाउ करते हैं, हम लेट लगाते हैं. बट अगर हम खुद भी शामिल होते हैं उन चीजों को करने में, तो हम लेट्स लगाते हैं. जैसे कि हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, आप समझ जाएंगे. उसे जाने दो.
Let him go.
वेरी गुड. उसे खाने दो.
Let him eat.
मुझे खाने दो.
Let him.
मुझे, लेट मी.
Let me eat.
मुझे दिल्ली जाने दो.
Let me go to Delhi.
वेरी गुड. चलो दिल्ली चलते हैं.
Let's go to Delhi.
वेरी गुड. चलो हिंदी पढ़ते हैं.
Let's go to read Hindi.
Let's read Hindi, not go to one. Let's read Hindi. Okay, very good. मुझे पानी पीने दो.
Let me drink water.
Very good. उसे पानी पीने दो.
Let him drink water.
चलो पानी पीते हैं.
Let's go to drink water.
Again you make mistake. Don't use go. Let's drink water. चलो पानी पीते हैं.
Let's drink water.
Very good. Okay. मैं स्कूल जाया करती थी.
I used to go to school.
I used to go to school. जब हम कोई पास्ट टाइम में हम कुछ चीज काम किया करते हैं, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं, शो करते हैं, उसको हम यूज टू करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं स्कूल जाया करता था. I used to go to school. मैं किताब बेचा करता था. I used to sell book. मैं क्रिकेट खेला करता था. I used to play cricket. Okay. Next question is मैं कपड़ा धुल रही हूँ.
I am washing cloth.
मैं कपड़ा धुल रही थी.
I was washing cloth.
मैं कपड़ा. Now you can see she has prepared very good. I'll question answer. Now I'm going to call my next student. My next student is Mr. Adil. Hello Adil, how are you?
I am fine and you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So I'm going to ask some question whatever I gave you yesterday. I do remember.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm asked question and you have to answer it in English, not Hindi. Okay.
Yes.
Where do you live?
I live in North.
Speak aloud. Where do you live?
I live in North.
Very good. Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli.
Very good. In which class do you read?
I read in class 8.
You are class 8. Very good. What is the name of your school?
My school name is AP Gupta Inter College.
Okay, very good. Which game do you like most?
I like game cricket.
I like
I
I
like
like cricket.
I like cricket.
Okay. How do you go to school every day?
I go to school on foot.
Very good. It means the school is very near. That's why he goes to on foot. Otherwise, he has to take some bicycle or bike. Okay. At what time do you get up in the morning or do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock
In the morning.
in morning.
Or you wake up and early in the morning. So good. So now you can see all students they have a habit to wake up so early in the morning. This is a very good habit. Where do you do your homework?
जाता
मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ.
I go to school.
Okay. मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ.
I am going to school.
मैं स्कूल जा रहा था.
I was going to school.
Very
Going to
good.
school.
मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा.
I will go to school.
Very good. What do you want to become in your future?
I want to become businessman.
Businessman. Very good. So